Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this ghost effect on CapCut. I'm just going to crop that like so, and then I'm just going to select it and I'm just going to press copy, and on the second video I'm just going to select overlay. So you have to select the clip, by the way, to be able to find this option. Select it and drag it to the left. Add a keyframe at the beginning of the video and add one at the end. And at the end, you want to zoom in on the video like so. And then after that, I am going to go to graphs, which is somewhere on the very right. And I am going to choose ease out 1. I might just zoom in just a little bit more so you guys can see the effect. Okay, and then I am going to click on, where is it? Animations here. And then I'm just going to select out and select fade out and make sure it lasts like half of the video. And then I am just going to select the second keyframe, and then I'm going to select splice, and then I'm just going to turn down the opacity to 50. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!